My name is Mitchell Guthrie. I work for the U.S. Department of Energy here at the Paducah Site. In my role, I'm a project manager over the annual Site Environmental Report, otherwise known as the ASER. It characterizes the progress we're making here at the Department of Energy Paducah Site in our cleanup mission. This report allows us to verify technologies and strategies are truly effective here at the Paducah Site. The impact of the environmental program is equally important. The ASER is a critical check to show that our remediation actions are not inadvertently creating new problems in the environment. Through a partnership, Murray State helps facilitate our Student ASER program, which is modeled after a similar program in Portsmouth. Our main goal is to collaborate with students and teachers to help them understand the site history, environmental impacts, and careers here at the Paducah Site.
So Murray State University's involvement with the ASER comes from great opportunity. The university was awarded a $1.5 million grant. Because of this great opportunity, we are at McCracken County High School teaching the students about the important work that's being done at the site. The students are tasked with the job of creating a student ASER that is non-technical. At the end of the semester, Murray State University will prepare a publication that is released and available to the public.
McCracken County High School, the students there, their role in this process has been taking the ASER itself that was produced and released by the DOE and then summarizing the information and putting it in layman's terms, so that it can be understood by people that don't work in the profession on a daily basis or even at all. Just make it available for the community to see.
My role with the ASER was the site history. We talked about when the site was constructed, what they did, when it was leased to USEC, and what it was previously used for, and now, and also what the area that it takes up.
I learned just how much goes into the testing and the process they use to make sure that all the soil is safe, because I never really considered what is possible, the issues that can come from working with all these different compounds, radiation and uranium. I learned just how much goes into it and how much extra steps they take to make sure the soil is safe and to prevent harm to the environment.
It was definitely something that a lot of people don't get the opportunity to do, and I just feel like it was very eye-opening. Like, there was nothing that I learned this year that I went in already knowing, especially with like the site visit. Like, I didn't know anything about the plant at all until I got there.
In AP Environmental Science, there's been a lot of things that early on, at the very beginning of the year, as we first started understanding what kind of things were reported in the ASER, but throughout the year we can see that a lot more about the monitoring are exact things that we cover in the AP Environmental Science curriculum. Students learned a lot about different persistent organic pollutants and volatile organic compounds and things within the soil and within the water and within the air, and how those accumulate and magnify across the living area. It was really beneficial to them to kind of see that progression of the content and understanding for themselves and application in their own backyard.
Through these efforts, we can assess the effectiveness of our cleanup mission and ensure the long-term health of the environment. At the end of the day, we want to spark students' interest in becoming the next generation of scientists, engineers, and technicians to help us with our long-term goals here at the Paducah Site.